Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it. And welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, as our title says, today we will be unbagging our IPSY Glam Bag Plus. For those of you who are not familiar with IPSY, I will leave all the information down below, plus a coupon code if you decide you would like to try it out for yourself. Okay, so let's just jump right into our last IPSY Glam Bag of the year. How about that? All right, and when we open it up, this is what our bag looks like this month, okay? How about that? All right, and the first thing we pull out, of course, they no longer have a description card, so we just pull out an information card that tells us, first of all, the theme for December is Time to Shine. Okay, and it says sparkling, shimmering, totally unforgettable. This month, wrap yourself in silver and gold beauty looks. Get your skin glowing and share your light inside and out with the ones you love. Okay? Then when we open it up, this is 2022 Beauty Horoscope. Y'all can have that part. This is what it looks like. But that's not necessarily for me. Okay? Now, let's just jump in and see what we have here. Well, the first thing that I pull out is in some bubble wrap. Okay. And, all right, this item is Clarity, and this is the daily dose of water. And it says hyaluronic acid hydrating serum. Instantly boost hydration, okay? And let's see what this is all about. All right, this is a 1 fluid ounce bottle, and it says, this moisture binding lightweight serum is exceptional for dehydrated, dull skin. Okay? And it says, the fast absorbing formula instantly boosts moisture levels using hyaluronic acid, which can hold up to many times its weight in water. All right, and it says it will leave your complexion feeling soft, supple, and more radiant. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this 1 ounce bottle right here. It says it is $72. How about that? $72. All right, now I'm trying to see if it does have a shelf life listed here, which I do not see. But I'm gathering it's probably not very long, only because this is a plant-based product, okay? So that is item number 1. Item number 2 is by ELEMINS, and this is Peptide 4 Eye Recovery Cream. Okay, and it says reviving the eyes for tired, overworked eyes. Star of Venus Peptide 4 Night Scented Stock and it revives, brightens, and hydrates. And this is a 0.5 fluid ounce size. Wow. Defined by nature, led by science, this skin synchronizing eye cream transforms the appearance of tired and overworked eyes. Peptide 4 and Star of Venus oil help deliver younger looking eyes around the clock. Dark shadows and puffiness appears to be reduced. Okay, and this one has a 6-month shelf life. Wow. Okay. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $49. And this is what the inner packaging looks like. Okay. Like I said, it has a 6-month shelf life, so you know we're not about to open this just yet. Okay. So moving right along. The next item that we have is by Shayna B. Now, we did receive a palette from them months back, but this one is the Miami Nights Pressed Pigment Palette. Ooh, alrighty then. And this one says, the palette's balance of subtle neutrals and bright pops of color allow you to play it safe or go all out depending on your mood. All right. And this is an 8-shade palette. Okay. And doesn't tell me what the shelf life on it is. It says create sultry and sparkly looks with this 8 Miami inspired shades. I don't necessarily see an expiration date, but let's just check out these shades. Nonetheless, this palette does come with a mirror. And here are the shades. Okay. I'm feeling this gray right on the bottom here. It's quite nice. So let's just swatch a couple shades. We're going to swatch the Lincoln Red, the Venetian Gray, and the Queen of Diamonds Shimmer. Look at that. Wow. Okay. Oh, these are nice. How about that? Pretty nice, huh? Okay. Let's see. Not bad. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price for this palette is $20. That was some nice color payoff. It really was. I definitely am liking that. Okay. And let's move on to the next item. Wow, okay. All right, y'all. This is the next item, and this is a 2-brush set, and this is the Bellen Argent. Okay, it says, these brushes are made with super soft synthetic bristles to seamlessly apply and blend your favorite cream and powder bronzer, contour, blush, and highlight products. And woo, the manufacturer suggested retail price $62 for these 2 brushes. Now, I must tell you, they are lightweight, but they are very dense. Very dense. I like the bristles. Y'all know I'm a brush fanatic, okay? but I like them a lot. I could tell that they've been in the bristle covers because they have the imprint all over it. So we'll have to wash and reshape them, so we'll be able to use them with no issue. Okay, so that is the next product. And then we have one more, and that one is another duo set, and this is by Complex Culture, and it says, if gel manis are your thing, then you'll love the chip-resistant high shine finish these polishes leave on your fingers. And not only are the shades super cute, they're clean too. The formulas are non-toxic and 6-free. 6-free. Okay. Now this is interesting because the description on IPSY's website says 6-free, but on the back of the box it says 10-free. Okay, so the colors that I have are called Thrive and Dream. Oh, this is Dream. And this one is Thrive. Okay, I'm looking forward to using these when we do our try on review and first impressions. Okay, well, I have to tell you, this box wasn't bad. This box was not bad at all. I mean, we have a nice variety of items. We do have makeup, we have nail polish, we have skincare and tools. I like, okay? So, these are the items that were included in this month's December 2021, the last IPSY Glam Bag of the year. And down below is the manufacturer suggested retail price total of everything that came in this month's bag. Okay, now I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbagged this beauty. It's the end of the year, y'all. It's the last bag of the year, okay? But remember to also enter our giveaway. This is the last giveaway of 2021, and it is way over 15 products. So if you would like to check that out and enter, make sure you're subscribed and check out this video link above. All right, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.